here we go. It is Sunday, May 2nd. We just got to the studio and we are heading into Unit 5 of Level 3. I am so stoked. We completed Unit 3 with a 99%. Maintaining good grades is important to me. It's actually kind of not important to Icon. Marks are kind of secondary to understanding the techniques that are being taught and actually putting them into practice. So we are editing the vlog. We're gonna get that posted. This one's a cool one. If you haven't seen the end of last week's vlog, go and click that right about now, because we learned how to do live performance within Ableton. Just a unique, awesome thing you can do with Ableton Live. We're gonna get to work, and then coming right up is Sunday Fun Day. Sunday Fun Day is my vlog segment where I go over my work for the week. Around here, we start our week on Sundays so we can get completely organized from Monday to Friday and get all the work that we need to get done. Heading into Unit 5 of Level 3. Let's get right into it. So here we go. History of synthesis, neighboring and passing tones, mandalas. Starting off Unit 5 with synthesis classes. In this lesson, we are going to look back on the history of synthesis to get a better understanding of where the current sounds we are making actually originated from. Synthesis classes are the Mini Moog, the Yamaha CS80, the Yamaha DX7, classic synth emulations, and then the class notes on history of synthesis, followed by a review set on the history of synthesis. Moving forward, we push into some keys lessons. In this keyboard techniques lesson, you will explore neighboring tones, passing tones, chords built using added notes, using neighboring tones in a composition, using passing tones in a composition, composing in B minor/D major. We end keys with the class notes, as well as a project on neighboring and passing tones, followed by a playing assignment, pyramids, and sequence. Then we move into the art of flow. In this lesson on the art of flow, you will explore concepts related to mandalas, including impermanence and non-attachment. Art of flow classes are how to grow a mandala, mandala exercise, the history of the mandala practice, non-attachment, the class notes on mandalas, followed by a project and discussion, mandala track. Okay, Unit 5 of Level 3 is looking good. One of my top 3 favorite things about Icon, the art of flow. I think we did mandalas in Level 1. So I'm not sure if this is just a reminder or it's adding to that, but I'm really excited about the concepts of letting go, non-attachment, and being able to tap into my intuition, my intuitive self, so I can create from a place of authenticity. I love my Sunday Fun Day. I love checking out what we got going on for the week, and I'm ready to rock. That is it for Sunday Fun Day today. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, May 3rd. I am stoked. We just got to the studio. We are getting ready to dive in to Unit 5 of Level 3. Today's an extra special day. At Icon, basically, if you complete projects to 100%, if you do your assignments, if you pass the levels, you're awarded points, and those points give you rewards. I haven't talked about any of my rewards for a while, because I'm actually on like the last 2 or 3 different rewards you can do in the program. Part of the rewards is I've actually been given 2 free mentor sessions with a mentor of my choice. And so I'm going to go back to my last quarter's mentor, Paul Lasky, and talk about mastering. I want to know the ins and outs of what he does, because my first quarter with Jerry, I learned how to make things sit really, really powerful in the mix. And so Jerry and Paul, their music is kind of on opposite ends of the spectrum. One's kind of harder dubstep, the other is your classic house. For me and some of the styles that I do, I think that learning from Paul and kind of taking the middle ground is going to be just right for my music. Of course, it's Monday, so we have to talk about mental health. It's a very, very important thing that I keep doing because we need to normalize talking about these issues, and I think it's just the right thing to do. Get a little vulnerable, be transparent about some of my struggles, and talk about how I've moved through what I've gone through in my life. Other than that, we are definitely going to get started on Unit 5, and I'm looking forward to just getting to work today. Welcome back to another episode of Mental Health Mondays. And this Mental Health Monday, I'm sad. We lost somebody else in the dance music world to mental health issues. Pierce Fulton. I first discovered him around 2012 with his single Quagga. Yeah, this catapulted him into success, and he had a whole bunch of other songs. He also went the live music route, similarly to Son Holo. And yeah, just a real genuine musician, and I really admired his artistry. I don't know what to say, to be honest. I literally just found this out, and since it's Monday and I do this segment, I wanted to talk about that because if you've been following the vlog, you know how passionate I am about mental health. You know some of my struggles. You know that I'm 7 years clean and sober, and my mental health journey continues. You know I see a therapist every week. It's just heartbreaking, the amount of pain that people are in. The lesson for me is I can't be so blind to how well other people hide their issues. I think that we really just don't know what kind of battles are going on deep within one another. We need to be kinder. We need to be more compassionate, especially to ourselves. I don't know. I wish I had the power to make people who need help ask for help. So all we can do, in my humble opinion, is check on the people closest to us, ask them how they're truly doing, if they need anything, and check in with ourselves. Don't procrastinate talking about what's going on. If you don't have close family or friends, seek out a professional. I know at least where I live, they have sliding scale counseling. They'll literally charge you based on what your income is. There's just so much going on with people these days. Traumas and societal issues. Heavy heart today. I hate hearing that we lost another person to mental health issues. I've lost many friends over the years. We need more solution-focused people. Gotta stop pointing fingers. We gotta stop arguing with each other about these trivial ideas regarding mental health and addictions, and just focus on helping each other. If you're struggling out there, reach out, please. I know it's hard. I've been there. I've crawled out of there on my hands and knees. It's so difficult. Please just take one step towards asking for help if you need it. I think that'll be it for Mental Health Monday today. Happy Wednesday, May 5th. Yep, you heard that right. We skipped out yesterday. It was the start of a new season in Apex Legends, so we got to hang out and take a day off yesterday. And Tuesdays are our chill day anyways. For therapy, we're doing a 2 on Zoom, 1 in person. So the Zoom sessions are on Tuesdays and the in-persons are on Wednesdays. And so today being Wednesday, we're in the studio relatively early, and we have that therapy session at 1 p.m. Right now, we're just gonna get to work on Unit 5. Welcome back to another episode of Whip Wednesday. WIP stands for Work in Progress, and these are the tracks I'm working on behind the scenes. Right now, for this quarter, we are remixing classic electronic music tracks in my new favorite melodic techno style. We are exploring sound design, we are exploring new genres, and I decided it would be fun to put together a coherent remix pack in a style that I'm not particularly familiar with. So I'm not even going to talk. We actually kind of started arranging this one. Take a listen. Let me know what you think. I'm loving that. Absolutely sounds spectacular to me. I got actually a couple of crazy ideas, and if all goes well, I could be looking at a potential hopeful official remix if I can get it to the right people. Yeah, so far, just looking at my whiteboard to see which ones I've done. I think we've got 3 or 4, and I didn't like one of them so far. So this is shaping up to be a cool, fun little remix pack that I'm probably just gonna give away. All right, that is it for Whip Wednesday today.